In this presentation, we are going to see how to convert decimal fraction to binary. So we will see this through examples. So this is the first example. 0.5 to the base 10, we have to convert it to binary. Similarly, 0.75 to the base 10, we have to convert to binary. 0.375 to the base 10, we have to convert it to binary. I will show you only one of these. The remaining you can solve it yourself. So first let us see how to solve 0.375 to the base 10 to binary. X represents the value in binary. So what we have to do, we have to write down the fraction. 0.375 is the fraction. You have to multiply by 2. Once you multiply by this, what you get? You will get, we'll put equal to 0.75. Out of this, before the point what is there, that is the integer. And after point what is there, this is the fraction. The 0.75 is there, no? This is the fraction. So again we have to write down the fraction. So 0.75 multiplied by 2. What we get? We get which is equal to 1.5. So what we do? So 1 is the integer, 0.5 is the fraction. Again what we have to do? 0.5 you have to multiply again by 2. So what we get? We'll get 1.0. So till we get 1 we have to multiply by 2. Now we can write the answer. So 0.375 to the base 10 equals, we have to start from here, from top. From here you have to start, you have to come down. So integers one by one we have to write 0.0, 0.011. This is the equivalent binary. Now we will take, so I hope now you know how to find out 0.5 and 0.75 binary equivalent. This is our second example. So what we do? Write down the fraction and multiply by 2, which is equal to 0.4, which is fraction and which is integer, you know. Again write down the fraction, multiply by 2. What we get? 0.8 we got. Again write down the fraction, multiply by 2. 1.6. Again write down the fraction, 0.6 multiplied by 2. What do we get? We'll get 1.2. So 0.2 multiplied by 2 will get 0.4. It is not finishing, it is actually repeating. So what do we do? We 4 to 5 steps max, don't do more than that. Now we can write the answer 0.2 to the base 10 equals 0. From where do you start? You start from top to bottom like this and write down the integers 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 to the base 2. So this is the answer we got. And we'll take finally one more example, that is 8.65625. We have to convert it into binary. So how do you convert 8? We will follow the division method. 4 times quotient 4 and remainder equal to 0 because exactly divisible by 2. Again, if we divide, what do we get? We get 2, 0. If again you divide, 2 ones and remainder equal to 0. So 8 we have got. Now what we want to know? We want the fraction. So 0.65625 we have to multiply by 2. Fraction we have to multiply by 2 and we have to write down the integers. This comes to 1.3125. So what is the fraction here? 0.3125 is the fraction. Again we have to multiply by 2. What do we get? We get 0.625. Again we have to write down the fraction. 0.625 multiplied by 2. What do we get? We will get 1.25. So 0.25 multiplied by 2. We get 0.5, right? 0.5 multiplied by 2, half multiplied by 2, we will get 1. So 1.0 we can write it. Now what we do? We will write it from top to bottom. So 0.65625 equals what? It is equal to 0.10101 to the base 2. Now what is the answer? 8.65625 equals what? It is equal to, first we will write down the 8 equivalent, that is, how do you write? For a whole number we will write from top to bottom. So 1000 point, what is the now decimal fraction? 101 is the equivalent of decimal fraction, binary fraction. 10101. It is very simple to do the conversion if you know the method. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, and thanks for watching.